Hey up everyone. First, a big thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Passing 1,000 subscribers made me feel very humble and much appreciated, and it's carried on growing since. There are nearly double that already. One of the results is that I've spent hours replying to all your fantastic comments from the last few weeks. They are great, and I do read them all. I do my best to reply to people, but that is getting harder, and I know I have missed some. If I didn't reply to you in person, I apologise. Some comments simply get lost when there are so many. As time goes on, it will get harder, so inevitably there will be times I can't keep up. There is just me, after all. I'm a lone wolf, and always have been. Sometimes I will have to prioritise getting the recordings done, rather than replying. So if I don't reply, I'm sorry. And if I like your comment but don't reply, it means I do appreciate and like your comment. Your support is appreciated, and as has been commented on, I want to keep the channel free from any sponsorship and truly independent. The t-shirts and other merchandise sales do help me do this, and also add something to the endless pot of the I need these parts lists. So, if you feel inclined, know that any profits from sales go to keep the channel running and help me keep the bikes in running order. The videos have been varied and I will continue with that, but if there is anything specific you'd like featured, let me know and I will look into how feasible it is to do the videos. I will try to get at least one video a week out, but in summer that might be more difficult if I'm away or on tour. Just know I will do my best, and if a video doesn't appear, that it means I'm probably still researching the details or off in the wilderness somewhere. One thing I want to stress in all of this: we have a great group of people already from all over the world. I have friends from the world of bikes in many countries. I add translations whenever I can, but if there is a specific language that I've missed, just let me know. To the subscribers in the USA, Turkey, Greece, Holland, France, Germany, Spain, Portugal, South Africa, Canada, India, China, and everywhere else, welcome. Remember the most important thing, that the respect we demand from others is a two-way street. We are all universally bikers, after all. Thanks again for all the support. Ride free, everyone.